I'm Rob Wildman, Vice President of Managed Services at Matrix Integration. I've been with Matrix for a little over 2 years now.
Hello, my name is Xavier Moore. I'm with Matrix Integration as a Security Systems Engineer. I've been with Matrix for about 3 years. Our offering, MiProtection, is a SIM tool. It analyzes and contains all security incidents and events throughout your network, combined with SentinelOne.
The SentinelOne is the EDR product that correlates with the SOC team and is monitored 24/7 and responding to alerts 24/7 as well. I think one of the benefits of MiProtection is really the overall improved security awareness. Xavier will take you through a comprehensive risk assessment to help you understand areas where you're strong and weak, and then begin to help you focus on improving in those weaker areas.
During the comprehensive assessment, we'll be more pertaining to the NIST guidelines and framework already set in place. It's more about getting those policies and procedures set up for you and your environment to know how to assess risk when necessary.